He ever joined. My name is Jefferson and am 27 years old and realizing I sit the shield and light with and would my life and with your toy and they you about my in thy routines and the people are me. I usual wind up at 6 a.m. up when the finish and they do is check my phone to see if have an important messenger. Mm, Then and hit up and go the chintin do Mac and myself some who's die exercise for about 10 minutes. Then enchant and hint and rant for they usually have breakfast and with my mom making the beds and pancakes my moms and are a very close family and we love spending the time and love the fun Huancayo, especially Pachamanca. My favorite is Pachamanca a la tierra. AI Pachamanca ain't the als Pachamanca la olla. And pots and Pachamanca ants enjoy and they name restaurant and with Marfin's lines wind cane and wines and name restaurant dome. The food and was delicious and the Amos ponds and white bird like birds and they had months of nighttime and boons owls, lumps, skirts and canned receiving chocolate cards and like is coins apparent and the Pilcomayon district. It has two versions and like and linking rooms and kitten and branks. My favorite room is living room because and work and relax and watch movies and have beans, comforts, sofa and TV. And you ever in to and come visiting and Lloyd do inviting you for the mirror. Especially moments for my past was when graduating for Hill School and was very promised die for and might. And remember finding so exciting on board the future species king and the future in you nerve and hip wind shorts and feel and free the meet and love shopping and coins love ingo love ingoit do contest do fins the French art is your pledge and in reconnaissance visiting Huancayo is workplace and like using be what it differences and light and small do but not like in the city. In Enohan in city life because there are my money dancing do importance and my past wise went are my fins and dance My Lloyd and Ward responsive and harm word. My because fills in my name is Angie and she short and her Lloyd. Hi. She also urgent that me usually think would the word because is sharp this dying dragging is like hormone dragging is fast taking the bus in the my opinions in because city is Huancayo is the most beautiful big place and the most delicious form and can be sitting Constitution Park and where the cathedral is located is the most because city you have to see. Thank you.